Ruhonge ruru rutongoretio ni murugamiriri munene Mohamed Shurie maugite ni maigite ciringi milioni 5 iria ikwambiriria tabarira ya kuirigira na kugitira itomboya ria Ondiri riria rikoragwo Kikuyu county-ini ya Kiambu na riria riheaga mucii munene wa Nairobi mai.
And immediately after this we are going to start fencing now this area. Totally we want at the end of the day we want to fence Ondiri swamp, so to protect from any encroachment or any interference, so at least it can affect now negatively now the water source.
Mohamed ningi augite ni marikitie gwikira itoka cia kuria itomboya riri rikinyite, akiuga ni mekweheria ariothe megwatire icunje cia itomboya riri.
Tutakuja kuweka fence ukuta tuhakikishe hizo maji taka na hakuna watu ambao wanaingia kufanya mambo mabaya katika hii swamp.
Makiaria hindi ya uhandi wa miti hugururu-ini cia itomboya riri, muikariri giti ruhonge-ini ruru Joe Mitambo ni arutire mukana uria wothe wenjete marima ma mai mugaru na watho, akiuga marima macio ni mekuhingwo amu ni marathukia ihumo cia mai.
We will give directives on the way forward on the boreholes and all the illegal boreholes in Nairobi and any other part of the country. The owners will face the law because we know the country is at a very high risk of corona and water is very essential.
Mitambo athiete na mbere na kuga ni megutigirira ni matheria na magitira ihumo ciothe cia mai guku bururi-ini.
The borehole issue will address it effectively as from tomorrow, I think, in our office. We are inviting President, I hope you will come. We are going to issue a very stern warning to those who are owning or having or drilling boreholes without permits.
Nao aikari aria marumbuyagia itomboya riri magitugiria ikinya riri na kuga ni makoretwo na ihinda iritu ria kugiria andu kwigwatira, kugiria aria marimaga na mai macio na guita mai magiko itomboya-ini riri.
Guthukio kuria kurathukagio ni farmers aria marahuthagira organic chemical fertilizers gwika urimi wao, ni kuri na andu angi maroka gute takataka guku, no riu hindi iria guku irigwo ni tugugia na munyaka muno tondu riu andu acio ni mekuhota kweherio kana kugiriririo gutuika kuingira.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.